Hola muchachos, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited to film a video in what feels like a really long time. This video starts the official relaunch and rebrand of this channel, Sarah Therese. Recently, I uploaded a video to this channel talking about why I was seriously thinking about leaving this channel and starting completely fresh. Starting a new channel, starting from the ground up, starting from 0 subscribers, and completely rebranding and creating a channel that would be something I would really love and pour like my heart into. I vocalized some of my concerns to you guys and some of my ideas as well, and if you didn't see that video, I can always link it down below if you're a little bit lost. I vocalized maybe leaving this channel, starting a new one, staying here, leaving my vlog channel. I wasn't really sure, and I asked you guys for help. Over 95% of you guys said, keep Sarah Therese, this is your baby, this is what you've really worked on, and that made me really happy just to be like, oh, like I can just stay here and continue my work, specifically to this channel. And then I had tons of other people saying, leave the vlog channel, put everything into one. So this channel is going to be my only channel on YouTube where I'll be featuring lots of videos plus vlogs. That's gonna make my life so much easier to really just put all my effort into one single channel instead of dispersing it between multiples. Especially with baby number 3 on the way, my life is already so flippin' busy. So in order to do something like this was really, really relaxing to me and gave me a lot of relief in just like stress and wondering how I was gonna make all this work once the baby comes. I started YouTube as a young girl focused mainly on hair. One of my first YouTube videos was actually me talking about how to curl your hair and straighten your hair, and I loved that. I loved hair, and that inevitably led to beauty as well. I so enjoyed it at the time, and I still love hair and beauty, but a lot has changed. I feel like I've grown a lot. I feel like my hair has actually grown a lot. And I came to this point where I realized that I no longer like wearing full faces of makeup or full-on glam makeup. I felt more uncomfortable in it than comfortable. And honestly, whenever I can do natural makeup or no makeup, that's what I go for, and that's what makes me feel my best. This stemmed when I started having kids, especially my son, and I realized so much of my focus that used to be on beauty and hair and makeup was turned into other things and turned towards other things that I got so much more fulfillment and joy and satisfaction from. Also, going blonde, it just made me want to try different things and be more experimental. I just feel a lot like myself when I have just blonde hair. It's just really fun for me at this point in my life. So the final decision for this channel is to stay here and to create a lot of content for you guys. I am leaving my vlog channel. I'll do a video on there or something very soon. I already kind of did, but just an official, I'm leaving and everything's being put onto this channel. This channel is gonna be like my baby. Like, this is gonna be like something I can really focus on and put so much time and effort into without feeling like I'm being pulled in multiple directions. So one of the main questions I've been getting is, so what are you gonna do on this channel now? What are you going to focus on? And just to give you some ideas, on this channel, I want to incorporate a lot of lifestyle stuff, and pretty much that'll be like my base. And from there, I can upload things like what I eat in a day, talking about different foods and meals that I prepare, doing cleaning videos, still doing beauty videos, doing health videos, talking about minimalism, talking about ethical shopping, talking about different healthy habits you can do to your body, healthy habits you can do to your house, different types of routine videos, workout routines, stretching routines, morning routines. I want to talk about a lot of what I believe as a Christian. I want to talk about a lot of wife stuff and mom stuff. I want to do some story times. I want to do get ready with me videos. I want to do follow me around vlogs. There's a lot of things that I'm just dying to put into this channel that I feel like I've really been unable to because I've been so focused on just beauty, and I felt like I had to stay there in order to be successful. Successful falls out the window as soon as you realize what you're doing isn't making you as happy as if you tried something else. I'd rather be doing this channel and be less successful in the content that I'm uploading versus doing beauty videos and making more money or being more successful from it. Like, I believe happiness is so much more important and so much more fulfilling than your paycheck. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm really excited that you guys clicked on this video just so you could see what I'm up to. I've also decided to nix any type of schedule for now. Previously, I uploaded every Tuesday and Friday at 2:30 Pacific time, and then I realized that I just need to get into the flow of things. How long is it going to take me to usually film videos, to edit them, because these are gonna be different videos than from anything else I've really done before, which is really exciting. And I'm just like, I just wanna edit. I mean, I'm someone that loves filming, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to editing, I nerd out and I could edit forever. So I'm so excited to start filming, really excited to start editing, and then seeing what you guys think of the content I'm bringing you. And I really hope you guys like it, because I'm literally putting my heart into all this stuff, and this is stuff that I've had so many people asking me to do. Please do this content, upload this kind of a video, can you talk about this? And I feel like I was really limited because this is just, or it was just mainly a beauty channel. I'm stepping away from that. I'm stepping away from all the bold pattern thumbnails and the colors and prints, and I'm just being true to who I am and what I really like, and I hope this works out. So thank you guys for just sticking it out and waiting for me. I feel like this video has been a long time coming, and I need your guys' help just one more time. Leave me a comment down below. What kind of videos do you want to see? I'm definitely doing like vegan, what I eat in a day's routines, healthy habits, home decor videos, DIYs, thrifting. Like, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff, but let me know down below what you really want to see. Because as much as this channel is for my benefit, I want it to be for yours too. So leave me some comments down below. Let me know. Girl has been working her patootie off, just rebranding and figuring things out and talking to people and just being really inspired and really excited to get going. So thank you guys for watching. I love you to pieces. Go out and treat yourself. You deserve it. You guys have helped me literally so much. Go out and treat yourself. Thank you. Just know I'm so thankful for you guys. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I'm so excited.